Hello viewers, and welcome to our channel, 5 Best Pick. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we picked only the best tools by comparing hundreds of products based on a few criteria and ranked them. For example, features of the product, manufacturer's reputation, value for money, and most importantly, user feedback. If you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best product. Please do check the product link in the description box below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to enjoy more awesome contents like this. So, without any delay, let's get started.
Our number one pick is Intex Excursion Inflatable Boat. The Intex Excursion 5 inflatable boat is suitable for up to 5 adults and has a 1,300-pound capacity, making it great for boating or fishing with friends. 2 inflatable seats with backrests are included for comfort, and seating stability provides superior back support for boating and fishing. Fishing and relaxing have never been easier with the 4 built-in fishing rod holders and gear pouch. Fittings for a motor mount are included for the flexibility of adding a trolling motor, with 2 grab handles on each bow, and an all-around grab line are provided for your convenience, as well as welded on or locks and or holders. Designed with heavy-duty, puncture-resistant PVC for comfort and durability, and an inflatable I-beam floor for rigidity. With 3 air chambers, including an inner auxiliary chamber inside the main hull for extra buoyancy and safety. The easy-to-store and carry package includes the Excursion 5 boat, 2 54-inch aluminum oars, and an Intex high-output pump for easy inflation and deflation, repair patch kit, and carry bag. Our second best inflatable boat is Intex Challenger inflatable boat. The Challenger 2 inflatable boat is perfect for boating fun for 2 adults. Whether fishing, relaxing, or rowing on the lake, this boat is great for making your adventure exciting and entertaining. Designed with heavy-duty, puncture-resistant PVC for comfort and durability, and an inflatable I-beam floor for rigidity, the boat contains 3 air chambers, including an inner auxiliary chamber inside the main hull for extra safety. Inflating and deflating is a breeze with 2 quick-fill Boston valves. A grab handle on the bow and an all-around grab line are provided for your convenience, as well as welded or locks, or holders, and a repair patch kit. Also included are 2 48-inch French oars and an Intex high-output pump for inflating and deflating. Third in our list is Intex Explorer inflatable boat. This vibrant colored inflatable boat can accommodate up to 3 people. It will definitely capture people's attention due to its fresh style and oodles of features. It is the cheapest inflatable boat on our list today. The boat comes with a high-output manual pump for quick inflation once you reach the water. You will also receive 48-inch French oars. The boat can carry a weight of 410 pounds and is very stable in the water with a soft inflatable floor. Have a boat race with friends or leisurely cruise around the pool on lazy summer days. This 3-person inflatable boat features a grab rope, or locks, and soft inflatable floor for easy cruising. Set comes complete with 48-inch deluxe aluminum oars and a mini hand pump. Number 4 in our best inflatable boat list is Classic Accessories Pontoon Boat. The Colorado Inflatable Pontoon Boat by Classic Accessories is a 9-foot, high-capacity pontoon boat with a padded seat and huge storage capacity, including over 20 pockets and 2 insulated drink holders. We advise that you check with your state agency's requirements to determine if you will be required to register the pontoon boat. Please note that each state has different registration requirements, forms, and fees. It's important to note that some states require a bill of sale document, and the manufacturer cannot provide the bill of sale. The Colorado Inflatable Personal Pontoon Fishing Boat offers huge storage capacity, includes over 20 pockets and 2 insulated drink holders. Weatherproof motor mount. Wire rear storage and battery platform. Fishing rod holder can be mounted in 6 different positions. Integrated anchor system with fillable mesh bag, cord and pulley can be mounted from either side or back. Detachable foam fly patch. Padded plastic seat for extra comfort. Our last pick is Intex Seahawk's inflatable boat. The Intex Seahawk is one of the most cost-effective inflatable boats on the market. It will give you some of the comforts and utility of a premium boat for a fraction of the cost. The 30-gauge PVC vinyl will resist damage from abrasions, sun, and impacts. This boat can hold up to 4 people with luggage, making it a cheap dinghy used to tender between yacht and shore. There is a grab line situated around the boat for security when climbing on and off the boat. It features fishing rod holders and enough space to accommodate a family of 4, making it also a fairly reliable inflatable fishing dinghy. Perfect for 4 adults to enjoy a fun summer of boating. Designed with heavy-duty, puncture-resistant PVC for comfort and durability. Contains 3 air chambers including an inner auxiliary chamber inside the main hull for extra safety. Inflatable cushions are included for comfort and seating stability. Fishing and relaxing have never been easier with the 2 built-in fishing rod holders and gear pouch. Motor mount fittings are included for the flexibility of adding the Intex motor bracket and trolling motor. A grab handle on the bow and an all-around grab line are provided for your convenience.